Hello, in this video we are going to solve question number 23 of GATE 2015 paper. So the question is, consider a complex function f of z which is equal to u of xy plus iota times v of xy, and this is an analytic function in some domain D. Then which one of the following option is not correct? So this is some complex function and u of xy is the real part of that complex function and v of xy is the imaginary part of that complex function. So given the function is analytic in some domain D, the function is analytic, f of z is analytic. It means that there are no singularities or associated with this function fz within this domain. So there are no singularities associated with this function within this domain. Therefore, the real part of the function uxy satisfies whenever we have this kind of condition when the function is analytic in certain domain, then the real part of the function as well as the imaginary part of the function, they will satisfy the harmonic, or they are in fact harmonic functions. That means they will satisfy Laplace equation. That is, they will satisfy Laplace equation. So something like this. So this is nothing but Laplacian of u. Okay, divergence. So both real and imaginary part of the function will satisfy the Laplace equation. So option A and B are correct. Option C is saying that the function is dependent on the choice of contour. No, when a function is analytic in a certain domain, then the function is independent on the choice of contour between z and 1t. This integral is independent of the choice of contour. Okay, so option C is not correct. And option D, fz can be if a function is analytic, then it can be Taylor expanded in the domain. So option A, B and D are correct. It's only option C which is not correct, because that function is not dependent. It is independent on the choice of contour between z and t, this integral. Okay, so option C is correct. Thank you for watching this.